Okay, so hi. Um yeah. So this is a game. It's called Roblox game. It's called Warship Roleplay. In other words, you're on a boat in World War II. I think it's some British boat. And in most cases, you would be like crew member and you would need to repair stuff and keep guard and do normal things. However, you can also be an enemy spy and infiltrate. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing because why be why be a team why be on a team when I can just be on my own and be a spy? All right, pick. Hopefully no one notices that in the menu for players it literally says I'm a spy, but in most cases, remove hats. I think it removed a bit more than a hat, but whatever. Alright. Yeah, this will be... Wow. um, alright, what do we have? Lieutenant's cap. Yes. Okay. Uniforms. Blue lieutenant. Lieutenant summer wear. Lieutenant winter formals. Let's do that. No, I need a torso. Brown belt, no. That looks a bit weird, but... And the brown... Yes, that looks good. Okay. Um, yeah, so this will all make sense, but... Accessories. Binoculars? No. Alright, I think we're all good. Tools. Ah. Weapons. Stuff that I'm 100% going to need. I'll use those. Just to blend in, I'll just have an American gun, because then it will make me seem... Alright, Alright. Roleplay name. Rank. Major. I think a major rank's an army rank, but I don't care. Peter. Last name. Steve. And Peter Steven. What? Peter Stevenson. Doesn't even work. Can I just be Peter spacebar? Peter spacebar there. What was that? What was that for? Oak. Peter Oak. Yep. Roleplay name. Um. Not. Not sus. It's good because I'm a spy. I'm not sus. Years in service. There. 2,498,000. I think, Alright, perfect. Now I am 100% a spy. Just with all the weapons that... Alright, what? Now my name doesn't work. What if I get rid of all this? Oh, no, it works. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's go. Oh, wait, what? No, I'm not a guest. My rank / role is a major. Captain. Yeah. I'm a captain, guys. I'm so... Alright, locations. Where can we teleport to? Briefing... I'll go to the bridge. I can spy on Central Command. Okay. I can... The sys office... Where's the bridge? Is it? Oh. Ooh. All right. Come on, man. Get off the radar. Yeah. Um. Beep boop. What are they? Hang on. If you see fake monsters, I'm on the team. After. Alright. A spy. What is a goal of a spy? Oh, I have an idea. Boy. Uh. Breaks comms. Oops. Alright, communications down. I'm just gonna casually walk by. No one will notice. Come on, man. Everything alright? Everything alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cap? Yes. Oh, Cap? Yes. He's freaking being a cat. He's faking. Shut it. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. No one needs to know. Huh? What? Why is this? Yeah, I'm just a normal captain. No one thinks I'm suspicious at all. Shut your mouth. What? What does this guy want? Fake petty officer. Bro, there's only one. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you don't really look the same as I saw you. Okay. Okay. New haircut? Yeah. You're welcome, sir. Here. Oh wait, there's the real captain. Oh. Aller engineer. Yes, sir. Okay. There's one right there, but whatever. Alright, successfully destroyed the, uh-oh. The Secret Service is here. Successfully destroyed the communications on the boat. Now what? Click to repair. No. I'm a spy. I can't repair stuff. Wait. What? Why am I one-handing this? I can load this, right? Wait, the STG-44 doesn't fire anymore? Why? Alright, where's the living quarters? Yeah, where's the changing area? Uh-oh. Alright, here, just nothing. See, I'm not suspicious at all. What do we need and what do we not need? Yeah, haircut. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now I look totally different. Alright, let's go back to the bridge because I need to spy and or blow up the boat. Or what? I don't think I can blow up the boat, but oh, nothing to see here, so combat intelligence. Oh, there's the bridge. Anything that needs fixing? Okay, I think I did break the comms. I'm back. Brace. Radar. Brace mirror. Brace mirror. Brace mirror. Oh. Why are all the high command in here? The radar is not working. I wonder why. I wonder why. I wonder why. I saw you break it. Oh. Really? Oh, really? I saw you brack. Oh, I did right. It can't waste me. Why? Mr. Mermike. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, engineer. Continue with your day. Fixed the comms. I should. Hey, look. Let's talk about some. Yes, Corporal. Lessons. What? Whoa. Really? Let me just casually leave. Here, they'll never know where I am. I need to kill someone. Alright, I need espionage. Sir? Run! I shot him. I shot him up. Alright. Run! No, never. Wait. This guy's chasing me. I need my other weapons. I need my other weapons. No, I need to infiltrate onto the boat. I need to get back onto the boat somehow. Oh wait, locations. Good. I'm presumed dead. Perfect, I'm presumed dead, so no one will think that I am actually alive. Who ordered tea? Who ordered tea? How very British. Oh, the Admiral's here. Okay, the Admiral. Oh, the Admiral's here. Something's going on. Oh, yes. About state secrets. I want to talk about. Oh, I spelled secrets wrong. Whatever. I want to talk about state secrets. 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 Oh. Yes, 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 I am. Yes, I am. Oh, I thank you. This guy's tea. Me. You did? Okay. Not our blocks. Need food. What? He's thinking. Follow me. Give. Bro thinks he has admin commands. I mean, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, follow me. Follow me. Oh. Just follow me. Oh my gosh. Follow me! Just come on. Oh, come on. Kills. It kills. Oh. Oh no, the bullets are going out. Okay, I think animations. Come on, give me animations. Well, I'm officially the worst spy ever. Anyways, bye. Bro.